If you've got a CapCut code and you're not sure where to enter it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to input a CapCut code on the desktop app, step by step, so you can redeem your promo code or gift card quickly and check that your pro status is active right away. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Join Pro, or in some versions, click your profile icon. This is where CapCut keeps the account and subscription options. After the menu opens, scroll down through the pop-up window until you find the Redeem option. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may say Redeem Code, Gift Card, or Promo Code. Click that option to open the code entry box. Now you'll see a space where you can type or paste your 15-digit code. Make sure you enter it carefully, because even one wrong character can cause the redemption to fail. If you copied the code, paste it directly into the box and double check that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Once the code is entered correctly, click the Redeem button. CapCut will process the code and apply it to your account if it's valid. After that, the next thing you want to do is verify that it worked. Click or check your profile icon right away. If the code was accepted, you should see a pro badge appear next to your username. That's your quick confirmation that the code has been redeemed successfully. You should also see your updated account status, including the new expiration date if your code activated at a pro trial or subscription period. If you don't see the badge immediately, give it a moment and refresh the app, then check again. It's also a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct CapCut account before redeeming, especially if you use more than one login. That way, the code goes to the account you actually want to upgrade. And that's it. That's how to input a CapCut code in the desktop app and confirm that it worked. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.